Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today is Friday, December 2nd, 2022. It is 6:40 and 32 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, tumor explanation. So let's jump to it here. Muscle wasting severity, linked to type, size and location of tumor in mice. Date November 1st, 2022. Source: Penn State. About 80% of people with cancer suffer from significant muscle wasting or loss of muscle tissue, and 30% of these patients die from the condition. Muscle wasting, and not the tumor itself, is often the killer. That is why it is important to study what is happening at the cellular level in the skeletal muscle that may be contributing to the wasting problem. Research in ovarian cancer revealed that muscle wasting is related to reduced production of ribosomes, or particles, in the cell that make proteins. Yet, relatively little is known about the mechanisms driving down muscle protein synthesis and wasting in cancer patients. The research team investigated the mechanisms involved in muscle wasting in lung cancer and colorectal cancer in mice. The researchers found that the type, size, and location of the tumor influence the severity of muscle wasting through divergent mechanisms. In the lung cancer study, the team examined the effects of two different types of lung cancer-derived tumors, LPO7 and Lewis lung carcinoma. The tumor growth resulted in significant muscle weakness in mice with the LPO7 tumor type, which was also associated with a reduction in ribosome production, while muscle wasting in the Lewis lung carcinoma tumor type caused muscle wasting but did not produce weakness or lowered ribosome levels. In the colorectal cancer study, the team examined two types of colorectal tumors, HCT 116 and C26, and studied them using two models to define the role of tumor burden on muscle wasting. The tumor burden is the number of cancer cells, the size of a tumor, the amount of cancer in the body, or the disease severity associated with the tumor. The findings indicate that the location of the tumor is an important factor in determining the severity of muscle wasting, but this also depends on the type of tumor. As there is no effective treatments for muscle wasting in cancer patients, we are beginning to understand how different tumors cause muscle wasting, which is crucial because cancer treatments are less effective in patients with low muscle mass. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.